So where does Cambridge Virtual Academy, the #1 public online high school, go when they go on field trips? Well, we go on a hike, and today we're out at the Bolsa Chica Ecological Preserve.
Guys, we are at the Bolsa Chica wetlands with a ton of high school and junior high kids. They are maniacs, but it's a whole lot of fun. The whole idea of this morning is to take a bunch of kids out, teach them about nature, teach them about some of the wildlife and some of the plant life that's out here, ultimately to lead them to sustainability. I'm Rob, I'm from Project Heal the Land, and this is a charity, a licensed 501c3 here in Southern California that really focuses on getting people outdoors into nature. The idea is the healing components of nature help all of our lives.
So as I'm out here, I'm just feeling the cool breeze from the ocean. I'm feeling the sun and the vitamin D rays. Just feels so great to be out here today.
So we've created a bunch of different projects that will take people into nature, whether it be construction, whether it be like construction out on the trails, whether it be trash cleanups, whether it be wheeling, whether it be taking a bunch of kids along PCH just to kind of learn. All of that is really designed to help people understand that we are not consumers of the ecosystem, but we are a part of the ecosystem. And that's where the loss of connection has happened in society. So come out, join us one time for our events. You'll have a ton of fun.
Tell us, why do you call your organization Heal the Land?
So Project Heal the Land, the name was actually brought about the obvious, the literal, healing the land, right? We do all these projects that kind of give back and heal the land. The other component is there's so much healing that we find as people when we just get into nature.
It is truly so calm and beautiful in the morning.
I think the reason for that is because we find ourselves coming to terms with being a part of something bigger than ourselves. And when people plug in to being a part of something bigger than themselves, all kinds of healing happens.